Here I have HUAWEI NOVA 10, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select moving picture, and now we can take moving picture. So let's get it. Okay, so as you can see, I took a few moving pictures, and now let's check it out. So like when you open moving picture in gallery, it looks like a normal still picture, but if you hold your finger on it, it starts moving. Unbelievable, yeah? Whoa, technologies went too far. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.